thank you, Dr. Umesh Khanna, my dear friend, for your kind words. I am honored to be standing here today to receive this year's Distinguished Service Award, which is called Dr. Days Award. I extend my heartfelt thanks. Please, I extend my heartfelt thanks to the IMA committee for selecting me for this award. I would also like to take this opportunity to congratulate my colleagues, Dr. Manohar Bachani, Dr. S.K. Joshi, with the same honor and dignity with what I got the award. I also salute the spirit of Dr. Alka Mehta for a great contribution to our association. I congratulate to all three families. In the year 1968, I accompanied my father, Dr. Henry Suchak, as a part of the Surat flood relief team led by him. I was almost like 13 years old, and at that time, I learned how important is to help others. That was the beach ingrained in me right when I was a child. I consider myself fortunate to be born in the Suchak family with high moral and ethical values. Like my father, I have learned not to turn away anyone in need. I am fortunate and blessed to have a like-minded life partner in Abha, who has always supported me in my life choices. My children Suraj and Aparajita have stood by me throughout my social services activities, which took away precious family time. Their spouses, Saloni and Nathan, have blended beautifully in our family and its ideals, for which we feel immensely blessed. I thank all my family members, my colleagues at IMA, AMC, Bharat Medical Association, Liver Life Society, Indian Liver Foundation, and my hospital staff, who have always supported me along each step of my life's journey. This award is as much theirs as it is mine. In Maya Angelou's word, when we learn, teach. When you get, give. I will repeat. When you learn, give. Teach. And when you get, you give. I want to know that this award to me means that I will continue to strive to give back to the world and what it has been given to me. किसी की मुस्कुराहटों पे हो निसार, किसी का दर्द मिल सके तो ले उधार, किसी के वास्ते हो तेरे दिल में प्यार, जीना इसी का नाम है. This is not my color tune. This is philosophy of my entire life. Thank you, friends. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Dr. Anand Suchak.